Starting right with cryptocurrency investment. Understanding the fundamentals. Unlock the potential of cryptocurrency investment by laying a solid foundation. Before delving into the world of digital assets, equip yourself with the essential knowledge of cryptocurrencies, exchanges, and safety measures. Mastering the associated terminology and understanding the risks involved empowers you to navigate the market with confidence and make informed decisions for long-term success. Choosing your initial cryptocurrency. Begin your journey by researching reputable cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and Monero, XMR. Explore their use cases and growth potential to make informed decisions. Additionally, consider platforms that facilitate exchanges between different cryptocurrencies to diversify your portfolio. Starting with a conservative approach. As a beginner, it's wise to start small and invest only what you can afford to lose. This approach allows you to gain valuable experience while minimizing financial risks. Remember, cryptocurrency markets can be volatile, so proceed with caution. Securing your assets with a reliable wallet. Select a secure wallet to store your cryptocurrency assets. Hardware wallets offer enhanced security by keeping your assets offline, while software wallets provide convenience through desktop and mobile applications. Don't forget to create a backup, such as a recovery seed, and store it securely offline. Choosing a trusted exchange. Register with a reputable cryptocurrency exchange that offers a variety of coins and user-friendly interfaces. Consider factors like transaction fees and security features when selecting an exchange. A reliable exchange will provide a seamless trading experience and ensure the safety of your investments. Making your first investment. Once you've set up your wallet and chosen an exchange, it's time to make your first investment. Decide the amount and type of cryptocurrency you want to purchase and place your order. Stay vigilant and monitor your investment regularly to stay informed about market trends and developments. Assessing cryptocurrency as an investment. Evaluate the potential benefits and risks of cryptocurrency investment. While cryptocurrencies offer the promise of high returns, they also come with volatility, regulatory uncertainties, and market sentiment risks. Assess your risk tolerance and financial objectives carefully before proceeding. Conclusion: navigating the cryptocurrency landscape. Embarking on your cryptocurrency investment journey requires patience, learning, and a cautious approach. By understanding the fundamentals, choosing reputable cryptocurrencies and exchanges, and securing your assets, you can navigate the dynamic cryptocurrency landscape with confidence. Remember to start small, stay informed, and seek advice from experts if needed. Remember to give us a like, subscribe, and leave a comment.